Good my name is Ronald Lopez. Studying System Generating. In area to high you adopt usitinale living. Task pose in motios. We be clear. Living ecologic is more important. Taebe climatic change are nine water potio. Animals los arehurte proremet affettiti etiriti planet adotea sustenable lifarlit info invoal make consigo consulte tan reduce or environmental impact for example by useless plants consuming local product and saving energy at home which contribute to the conservation. Con una natural resource, comfort, humor, educative about the importance of environmental stewardship can have a ripple effect in your community every action, no matter or what or to therefore which must act to ensure a livable future or future generative. Ecoatio you katak tere arithmetic ecological atio ewar katak daily to the planet or on of things simplest in ecology. Separative paper particles and organic was el reduce el aumento of class and the ilative and felicity. It reduced. Savile electricity is also accepted. Things can be achieved being turning off unisar list unplugin unice appliances and utilo list pur alf what West must use it responsibly. Turning off the that with or tin or sin rawar to war plants are useful example. Extensive action not only protecting environment but also for the culture of sustainability in all on and communities in la big example is escape to generate a real anti-lasting change. User-friendly e eco-friendly transport. Clean transporting is key to reduce environmental footprint and improve economic of inciting overall car generate significant greenhouse gas emissions contribute to climate change, adopt sustainable mode of transportation, such as clean working or use public transportation. Reduce things negative impact in more electric or private vehicles of cleaning option if motorizer transport is required. Setting can also contribute big improving infrastructure in far behind than promoting traffic educative capacity everything in we social and transportation of work tank are of our earth than and than of the planet. Final fin mensaje. Protecting everything is an optional task. It is current necessity. It can be part of thinking with one daily exercise, turning off it least regularly, useless practice. Tan conserve what think action no requieren clear effort but do requiere tonta awareness. Charity commitment with free family now or communicate crean a ripple effettiva impire of tu tan action till futuro depende un present. Decision de which was door par wet ka vulcan. Fire and night more sustainable work. A toda your contribution no matter what one make a big difference. Eating planet than you. Muchas gracias. Thank you.